Hello.
Now Smita auntie will say a thing.
Again, I'm feeling a little embarrassed to come on the stage, but I think I will go and stand on the stage. After a few alcohols, I've got the guts to come and stand and say something. I was trying to push it on, Anya Fiona to do this work. So thanks to alcohol that I'm standing and I'm speaking. So really thanks to all of you for being here. Family we have already introduced, but I'll take few minutes here to introduce my friends. Well, the order in which I'm going to introduce is not in the order of my liking. I'm making it very clear. It is in the order of how we got to know them as friends. So most of us here, after we shifted to Munich, that's where we got to know each other. Our first year friend was our Infosys family, Panasa, Vimala, Tanvita, Harshita. So these are, Panasa's family is our first family. We got to know them through our Infosys world. I'm trying to remember next. Sandeep, Sagarika. Sandeep and Sagarika, we met them a couple of years, I would say almost 8-9 years back. Yeah, they are our Singapore friends. We met over Facebook and we've been meeting. One of our friends, where if there are a couple of weeks and we don't meet, we feel something is wrong about, something. We haven't met Sandeep Sagarika for a long time. So they have been with us for a long journey. Along with the Singapore friends comes Nidhi, Hanush. So Nidhi and Hanush, we don't meet very often, but when we meet and talk. Yeah, we have enough things to catch up, but we are always there. After that, I'm just trying to remember the sequence. Sorry if I mess up. Yes, comes my in-career journey. As part of my in-career journey, that was my first job. Chem, that's where I met Chem. We had our ups and downs in India, and I found a good friend in Chem, and I hope vice versa, you find a good friend in me. Yeah. And we used to talk. At that point of time, we thought, this journey is going to end with India. But then somehow we kept in touch, and we, again, I know they also had a rough journey a couple of years back. We were there, our ears was there to hear their journey, and I'm sure their ears were for us. So Chem is doing really well now in India. He's running in Kenya now. So I'm really happy, Chem, to know you and Zelish and John, and I cherish your friendship. So Chem, and then comes Nimish. Nimish ratio. Our friendship goes much more beyond Hindi Parivar. So we again, Nimish and me were together in team, and we had again, lots to talk. I have seen the journey of Nimish and Reshu's family here in Munich, and it's always a pleasure, Nimish, to be in touch with you. I like the way you care for our family, even if you don't attend Hindi Parivar's functions. I'm sorry, but he's the only one who remembers us, and then he goes, why you didn't attend? I said, okay, then I really cherish that, Nimish. And Reshu, we cherish your friendship, and uncle, auntie, our journey. I know again, आपको हम पता नहीं मेरे ख्याल से 8-9 साल से जानते हैं, and आप आते हैं और somehow हम मिलते भी हैं. आपको मिलके हमें हमेशा अच्छा लगता है. So that's the Incadia friends I have. Sorry, I'm not really going to bore everybody, but I still want to acknowledge everybody. Then comes the journey where we meet Parul's family. So Parul, Pawan, Nandini, Anand, and that's when we also come in touch with Sanjeev and Purnima, Samarth. And yes, in the journey, Ashish, Sheila comes a little later, but I will still introduce them now because Ashish, Sheila comes as part of our friends. Well, I can't, they're like our families, extended family here, frankly, one of the closest with whom we spend our time, our weekends, even today, to make this function where we are. I would say it couldn't have been done without them. So I really want to thank Parul. I will take the name of ladies because I feel much closer to them. So sorry about it. So thank you Parul, thank you Purnima, thank you Sheila for being there always. Poker group. So Brijesh, Priyanka, Rakesh, Gunjan, Anil, Ratna, Saurabh, Arpita. Did I miss anybody from Poker Group? So again, the Poker Group was something where it was initiated because Anurag was looking for tennis partner, and that's how we got in touch with the whole Poker Group, and we. Poker Group is just a name for WhatsApp, frankly. Not that every time we meet this poker. Poker is a reason that we meet, but frankly, we cherish your friendship. It's a very recent development where we have got to know each other, and I think now this group is again becoming more like a family extension. So I'm really grateful to get to know all of you. So poker I have finished, and then yes, couple of friends I got to know through Hindi Parivar and also the Kitty family that I go. I am again not the most regular person to go to Kitty. I am the one who don't attend the Kitty most of the time. But I still cherish some of the friends that I have made. So thanks Leena, Amita, Sharmila, Jyoti. Did I miss anybody? So yes, again I missed one person. I go back in time. This is the time between Sandeep, where Anurag got in touch with Harpa. So this was a family where I think they drove to Frankfurt somewhere together, and when they came back together, both the sides of the guys had the zeal to meet, but they took almost 4 years to get us introduced. So it was there in both their minds.
We cherish those 4 years.
Thank you Harpal, thank you Jagrati, Guneet, thank you. We've seen Guneet growing from here to I don't know where she is now. You know, she's really tall. So thank you so much for being here. Well, as part of family, I hope I have not missed anybody. Yes, there's 3 persons whom I have missed. Well, most of you know that I do yoga as part of my hobby. That's where I met Katya and Petra. So they are, if you ask me, they are one of the best German friends I have. So thank you Katya, thank you Aswal for being here, and thank you Petra for being here. Thanks for your time. And our very recent, so we stay in Mississauga West. We've been staying in this current place for almost 7-8 years. And we knew Akbar as our neighbors, and we used to meet Sultana, once in a while on the road. But very recently, I think around 2 months back, we started meeting each other at home, and we really cherish your friendship. Thank you, Akbarji. Thank you, Sultana. So, yes, I told Amita Shiv. So anybody, if I have missed, it's not intentional. I'm just trying to rake my brain And yes, there's one more. I come back to my family as part of all the skits and everything that we are doing. We got introduced to the immediate family, like my two sisters, Arpita, Neha, Neha's husband Samar, Arpita's husband Saurabh. But today amongst us we have Samar's sister, Chuku. We call her as Chuku, Akanksha and Abhilash. They are here with their two kids. They have come all the way from Rostock to be part of this evening with us. So thank you, Chuku, and thank you, Abhilash, for being here. Thank you very much. Now is the time if I have missed anybody. So I'm not going to take any more of your time. Heartfelt thanks to all of you for being here and making this evening really a memorable one. I really cherish your presence and your friendship and love. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, I think Baba would like to say
Not a few words, just a big thank you. I think for today has been very overwhelming for me personally. They have always highlighted all the positives. They have thankfully not talked about the negatives. So there are a lot of negatives, but yeah. I will also say one thing, I am feeling very grateful today and for all of you to come here. And I also personally cherish all the friendships. Some friendships are very deep, some friendships are in the middle, the formation, but I don't look at friendships like that. I feel everything takes time. But we love all of you from the bottom of our heart, and hopefully in the days to come, things will become